Asking questions the Jamaican way. Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. In this lesson, you will learn how to ask a question using what and where, and you will be taking a little quiz at the end. Let's begin.
In Jamaican Patois, what is wa? Wa. And if you look at the screen, we have two separate spellings. So the JLU spelling is wa, W-A, and you'll see alternate spelling in other Jamaican Patois written works, W-H-A or W-A-H, but it's all pronounced wa, wa. Let's look at some example sentences. What your name? What your name? And in this case, this means what's your name? Another variation of this is where your name? Where your name? Where your name? Or what your name? Both means what's your name? What the baby name? What the baby name? This means what's the baby's name? What the baby name? What Jana do? What Jan a do? What Jana do? This means what is John doing? What doctor say? What doctor say? What doctor say? This means what did the doctor say? Now, where in Jamaican Patois is where or which part or which a part, where part, which art. Let's look at some examples. Where you are go? Where you are go? Where you are go? This means where are you going? Where you there? Where you there? This means where are you? Which part you come from? Which part you come from? This means where are you from? And everywhere where you see which part and which part can be replaced by any of the other words that mean where. This could be which part you come from, where you come from, which part you come from. All of them mean the same thing, where. Where part your father there? Where part your father there? Where part your father there? This means where is your father? And there are many ways to say father in Jamaican Patois. I have a video about that on this channel. You can check it out when you're finished or pause, So to review, what is wa? And where is where or which part or which art or where part, which a part. Okay, so in this part of the lesson, I'm going to give you some example questions, some sentences using the two words that we just learned, and see if you can complete the sentence. Complete the sentence. Which part you are go? Which part you are go? Which part you are go? Where are you going? Which part you are go? Where are you going? Complete the sentence. What you say? What you say? What you say? What did you say? What you say? Complete the sentence. What the teacher name? What the teacher name? What the teacher name? What's the teacher's name? What the teacher name? Complete the sentence. Which part them there? Which part them there? This means where are they? Which part them there? Now actually, what them there would be a sentence that means what are those? What them there? What them there? What are those? And I'm just realizing this now that I'm doing the voiceover for this video, but so either one of these could be correct actually. What them there means what are those? Which part them there means where are they? Complete the sentence. Which part you put on the bag? Which part you put on the bag? Which part you put on the bag? This means where did you put the bag? Which part you put on the bag? Complete the sentence. Waunado. 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 Wa uno ado. And so if you say uno a, it turns into una. Waunado. This means what are you all doing? You all, because uno is the plural form of you. So you is yo, uno is you all. Wa una adu? Wa unu adu? Complete the sentence. A what up man? A what up man? And this means, what's that? A what up man? This means, what's that? And if you notice, the man really has no meaning in this sentence. It's man in Jamaican Patois is like a sentence ending word. In this sentence, it doesn't have a meaning at all. It's just the ending. It's just a sentence ending word here. In some sentences, man has a meaning of an actual man, but in this sentence, a what up man, it just means what's that. Now, this sentence could also be a which part that man. A which part that man? A which part that man? And that would mean, where is that? Where is that? And the man in this sentence has the same function. It's just a way to end a sentence or for emphasis but like the word itself doesn't really have a meaning in this sentence. So it could be a what up man, which would be what's that? Or it could be which part that man? And that's where is that? Complete the sentence. A which part him live? A which part him live? A which part him live? This means, where does he live? A which part him live? Complete the sentence. A which part you hear that? A which part you hear that? A which part you hear that? This means, where did you hear that? A which part you hear that? Complete the sentence. How do you, brother? How do you, brother? This sentence means, or this question means, what's wrong with you? How do you, brother? How do you, brother? In this case, brother is just a way to refer to someone, especially a male. It can be your friend. Sometimes it can be your friend. It can also not be your friend if it's being said in a threatening manner. What do you, brother? What do you, brother? What's wrong with you? But it can also mean, what's wrong with your brother, if it's said like this. What do you, brother? What do you, brother? So see if you can listen to the differences. So what's wrong with you is, what do you, brother? How do your brother? And what's wrong with your brother is, how do your brother? How do your brother? I hope you can hear there's a slight difference in the intonation. So it can mean both of those things. Complete the sentence. A which part him gone? A which part him gone? A which part him gone? This means, where did he go? Where did he go? A which part him gone? Okay, that's the end of this lesson. I hope you found it valuable. I hope you found some form of value from it. And this is your assignment. So comment below where you come from. Which part you come from. Where are you from? Write your answer in the comment section below. And if you made it this far in this video, thank you so much. Please leave a star in the comment section below. It really encourages me because it shows me that people are actually watching the videos and getting some value from it. Because I know that the contents can get a little bit boring if you're not invested in Jamaican Patois and learning Jamaican Patois. So thank you so much for sticking around, and please let me know in the comment section below. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.